Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In last video, I have gone through the basics of SQL. If you wanted to watch that video, then check the link in the description later on and you can watch it. In this video, I will talk about the basic components of SQL query. So let's get started. But before that, if you are first time here on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button as I upload SQL and Power BI videos regularly on this channel. Now, like any other computer language, SQL also has its own syntax to write a query. This syntax uses keywords, commands, clauses, operators, etc. You can see here on the screen that I have a small piece of code and where I labeled the clauses, function, alias, etc. So let's go through it. So in this code, the select, from, where, group by, having, and order by, all these clauses are used. It also uses a function called count, which is one of the aggregate function. It uses an alias and produce a new column named orders. And this count result will be appear under this column. Then it retrieves the data from the table, which is sales order, and this sales is a schema. So schema name dot and then table name. Then it uses the where clause to filter the data by the label is shipped. So there should be a one column named status, and we only need a data which has a shipped status. So it filters the data here like this. Then it uses the group by clause to group the order date. So there may be more entries in a table with the same order date, but we wanted to group them so it can produce only one result for one order date. Then it uses a having clause to count the order ID which is greater than 1. So this way, which rows only has a count more than 1, that can be filtered. Then it uses an order by clause to produce the data in a descending order by order date. So this is the way that SQL query is written using clauses, function, alias, commands, and operators. Now this is the very simple form of code, just to understand that how the SQL syntax is look like. Now let's understand that how SQL Server is going to evaluate this code and produce results. So in this case, it's going to use first this line of code, and it's going to create a virtual table by selecting whatever the table, in this case sales order table. Then it uses a where clause, so it's evaluating a third line here, and it filters the data by its status shipped. Then it's grouped by the order date, and then it's gonna to filter the data by the count of order ID which is greater than 1 using a having clause, and then finally it's going to produce the descending order of the order date. Now one more thing I wanted to mention here, that SQL keywords are not a case sensitive, so you can use a small letter as well to write the select, from, where, or any other keywords. So guys, this is all about SQL syntax in this video. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share, and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.